Good morning, all of you. A very happy Akshay Tithya to all. This is Yashika Bishnoi from Alakriti with Anna. So, today is Akshay Tithya. Why we celebrate Akshay Tithya? I will just tell you some small two things which you will come to know, like why we celebrate Akshay Tithya. So, we celebrate Akshay Tithya. On this day, Lord Krishna presented Akshay Patra to Pandavas while on their exile and blessed his friend Sudama ji with a good fortune. On this day, when Sudama ji came to meet the Krishna ji give him the good fortune on this day. So we celebrate Akshay Tithya. Many people purchase gold on this day. So what is the auspicious time when you can purchase gold today is morning 6 a.m. to evening 6 p.m. And what is the puja timing today? Puja timing is morning 6 o'clock to 12:35 p.m. So this is the auspicious time. Well, you can do worship whole day, but this is the auspicious time when you can do. And what you can do is you can prepare suji halwa made up of jaggery. You should not add the sugar in this. You can offer sandalwood to Lord Krishna as this is his favorite. So you can offer sandalwood. You can offer yellow flowers to Lord Krishna. As I have Lord Krishna statue, so I kept Lord Krishna statue. You can keep Vishnuji statue as well. And what you need to do is you have to chant Vallabham Gajananam Ekdantam, Vallabham Gajananam Ekdantam 108 times and Om Gan Ganpate Nama 108 times. And for success in career with fame and name, we have to do puja on this day. We have to worship it. We have to offer things. So I kept some of the rice here for the donation. As in Singapore there is no beggars and the needies here, so I will just give this to the birds. Okay, and I offer the seasonal fruit mango, apple and banana. So we can offer some fruits to God which he loves. And I kept a red flower which Lakshmi ji like it, and a yellow flower for the Ganpati ji and Krishna ji and Lord Kubera. So you can see this is Lord Kubera, this is Krishna ji, and this is Lakshmi ji and Ganesh ji. So you all can worship on this day. And for Lord Vishnu, you can chant Om Namo Narayana 108 times. And for Lakshmi ji's Bij Mantra Shreem 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 108 times. If you wanted to chant more, you can chant for 1100 times, 2100 times. Donation, what you can do is you can give umbrella to remove unexpected obstacles from your life. You can offer clothes for your long life. You can donate clothes to someone, but a new clothes. Don't give the old clothes. Donate new clothes. And for husband's long life, what you can donate is kumkum. So you can donate kumkum to the needies. And for the kids, what you can donate is buttermilk for the vidya, for knowledge, for attainment of knowledge. So you can offer buttermilk. So you have to what you all can do is now remedy. This is coddies. I mentioned that you need 11 coddies. These are coddies. I already made my potli. So what you need to do is you have to take 11 coddies. You have to take a red color cloth. You can take a hanky as well. Keep this coddies in the red color cloth and keep it in your altar. Worship it. And next day, like today is 14th of May, 15th May, you keep this coddies, like you made a potli in your locker. You can keep this potli in your bank locker as well. This remedy will give you abundance, prosperity whole year. And those who don't have coddies, as many people texted me, ma'am, what is a substitute of coddy? So you have to take a almond, but almond not peeled one, which we use in like kheer and everything. You need covered with the wooden part of the almond. You need covered almonds, 12 almonds and a yellow cloth. Keep it in your altar whole day worship it, and next day keep it in your locker. So these are the small remedies which you need to do today. And those who can buy nariyal, okay, a water nariyal, which we call the brown color jata nariyal, to the Lakshmi also, as she loved nariyal, you can offer this today. So these are the small remedies which you all need to do is, and just feel the magic and vibrations today. God bless you all. Lots of love. Thank you.